Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about canker sores. Canker sores mostly erupt around the mouth area. They can be painful and also make talking and eating difficult. Don't worry, we'll provide you with some simple remedies that you can try at home. Take a cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, strain the solution and use this to rinse your mouth 2 to 3 times in a day. In this remedy, you can either use a green or black tea bag. After making a cup of tea, you can use the wet tea bag by putting it in the refrigerator and chilling it. After the wet tea bag gets chilled, you can remove it and compress it over the canker sore for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times daily until the canker sore goes away. Take a cotton pad, dip it into the coconut oil and apply it on the affected area for relief from canker sores. Thanks for watching. I hope these remedies help you. Do like this video and subscribe to Style Craze for more such videos.